Here's problem 4 from the 2023 AMC 8. The numbers 1 to 49 are arranged in a spiral on a square grid. Starting at the center, consider the 4 numbers that appear in the shaded squares lying on the same diagonal as the number 7. How many of those 4 numbers are prime? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's build the spiral. We start with 1 in the very center. Then wind outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, all the way up to 49, filling this 7 by 7 grid. Now find the number 7. It sits on the diagonal that runs from one corner of the grid straight through the center to the opposite corner. Let's light up that whole diagonal, ignoring the small inner numbers 1, 3, and 7 near the center. The 4 shaded outer squares on that diagonal hold the numbers 13, 21, 31, and 43. Now check which of these 4 are prime. 13 is prime. 21 equals 3 times 7, so it is not prime. 31 is prime. And 43 is prime. That gives 3 primes out of the 4 numbers. So 3 of the 4 shaded numbers are prime. The answer is 3, which is choice D.